I would like to read you a beautiful poem titled On Marriage by Kahlil Gibran from his timeless work The Prophet in 1923. This poem offers a heartfelt and wise exploration of the complexities and beauty of marital relationships. It speaks to the delicate balance of love and unity, the importance of maintaining individuality and independence, and the mutual support and growth essential for a harmonious partnership. You were born together, and together you shall be forevermore. You shall be together when white wings of death scatter your days. You shall be together even in the silent memory of God. But let there be spaces in your togetherness, and let the winds of the heavens dance between you. Love one another, but make not a bond of love. Let it rather be a moving sea between the shores of your souls. Fill each other's cup, but drink not from one cup. Give one another your bread, but eat not from the same loaf. Sing and dance together and be joyous, but let each one of you be alone, even as the strings of a lute are alone though they quiver with the same music. Give your hearts, but not into each other's keeping, for only the hand of life can contain your hearts. And stand together, yet not too near together, for the pillars of the temple stand apart, and the oak tree and the cypress grow not in each other's shadow. This poem represents a wisdom memo, rich with symbols that illuminate the depths of marital love. It reminds us of profound connection between freedom and togetherness, and the deep spiritual and emotional bonds that unite two souls. Let us take a moment to reflect on these timeless words and the wisdom they share. Among these symbols are the pillars of a temple, standing apart, illustrate the idea that partners in a marriage should stand together but not too close. This symbolizes a need for each partner to maintain their individuality and personal space, which in turn strengthens a relationship. The oak tree and the cypress symbolize the strength and resilience of a marriage. The oak tree represents stability and endurance, while the cypress symbolizes flexibility and adaptability. Together, they illustrate the qualities needed for a lasting and harmonious relationship. The flute and the reed are symbols of communication and expression, representing the voice and expression of each partner, while the reed symbolizes the receptivity and understanding that are essential for effective communication. Together, they illustrate the importance of open and honest dialogue in a marriage. The singing of birds symbolizes the joy and harmony found in a loving marriage. It represents the beauty and happiness that come from a deep, loving connection. These symbols illustrate Gibran's vision of marriage as a union that balances individuality with unity, strength with flexibility, and challenges with joy. They emphasize the importance of mutual support, understanding, and communication in creating a harmonious and fulfilling relationship.